Hi everyone, it's Ludovica and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful work and school presentations using Canva. If you're tired of the same old boring PowerPoint presentations and want something more curated that will wow your boss or get you a good grade, then this is the video for you. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Canva is a graphic design platform that you can use to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and visual content of any kind. There are free templates for people to use, so the platform is free, but also offers some paid functionalities such as the ones in Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise. As you can see, I use Canva to create some of the graphics that you might have seen on my social media platforms, such as YouTube thumbnails, Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, Instagram Story covers, and so forth. Now I'm going to show you how to create an engaging work or school presentation by using Canva ready-made templates. So at the top of the screen, I hover my mouse on templates, and under the business tab, I click on presentations. As you can see, there are a lot of templates to choose from for different subjects, different school grades, and different topics. Let's say that we want to create a presentation for a conference. I'm going to click on professional. So you can filter them by category. So if you need to do something that is more related to business or corporate or keynote or, for example, finance, marketing, you can have different themes. Let's say that we want to create a presentation for a conference, so I kind of like this one. I like the color scheme. And here you have an overview of what you can do with this presentation. So it's 100% fully customizable, you can edit and download it on the go, you can share it with people and collaborate in real time with other people, and I'm going to show you how after I customize this presentation, and I can also present directly from Canva with this. I now click on customize this template. So as you can see, I have access to all of the slides down here that I can go ahead and customize, and I'm going to show you how to use all of the elements that you can find at the left side of the screen. So let's start by customizing the text. So I can change every single element of the slides by clicking on the relevant part of the slide. So I can highlight this part of the text to change it, and instead of make it say Sandy Spring High School, I can say, for example, World Summit on Climate Change. So let's pretend that our presentation is on climate change. And I can make the text smaller to fit the frame, or I can also change the font. So to change the font, I highlight this, click on the font tab at the top of the screen, and then choose the one that I like. This one seems fit for like a conference topic, so I'm gonna choose this one. So given that it's like a presentation on climate change, like we want to, I can also change the name of the presentation itself, and I can make it say climate change and human rights, which is the title of the presentation that I've given at an actual conference. So I can make the text smaller, I can also adjust the alignment of the text. So I kind of want to make it central. So this makes it more central. And let's say that I also want to change this picture because a microscope is not really on topic here. So on the left side of the screen, you have access to a menu here. I can either upload a picture from my own computer. As you can see, I uploaded several pictures for some designs that I have created, but I don't have a picture that quite fits this slides presentation. Well, Canva has me covered because I can choose from a catalog of pictures that are already uploaded on Canva and they are free to use. So they are copyright-free pictures. So I can search a picture here, and for example, I can put the word climate. I think this one kind of fits the presentation that I want to use, and yeah, there are so many pictures to choose from. You can choose from photos, graphics, videos, and audio. I need a picture for my slide. So I choose this one because I quite like it, and if I drag and drop it here, I can modify the size of this picture to make it fit the frame. I can make it smaller. Regarding this element here, let's say that I don't like it. If I right click it with my mouse, I can eliminate this element given that I don't like it. And here I can put my name. Consider that I'm the author of this presentation. So the first slide is pretty much done. Let's progress on to the second slides, and let's say that I want to put another picture here, and I can put one of the pictures that I uploaded. Let's say that I want to put this picture, and if I drag and drop it here, I can substitute the picture that was on the slide with my own picture. As you can see, if I click on the picture, I can also edit the image. Let's go for this one, for example. I can put a section on me as an author. So instead of core concept, I want to make a section that is about me. And I want to teach people where to find me on social media, for example. So of course, I'm not going to write all the text, but here in Elements and under Graphics, I can choose from several things that I want to. Instead of climate change, I am going to look for Instagram, for example, because I want to let people know that I have an Instagram account and that they can find me on Instagram. So I can choose the Instagram logo that I like. I'm gonna go for this one because it's the classic one. And then I can go ahead and insert some text. If I click on text here, it makes me choose whether I want a heading, a subheading, or a little body of text. I'm gonna go for a subheading because it's kind of like a little bit smaller, and I can put my Instagram handle. I can put it here near the Instagram symbol. I can eliminate biology 101 because it doesn't really, I don't really need it. And then I can put all of my other social media. So I'm not gonna make it pretty here, but as you can see, I can put all of these elements. So we have the Instagram, the Facebook, and the LinkedIn logo. I can drag and drop my picture to completely customize this slide. I could animate the slides as well, so I can use all of the transitions that, for example, you will find on PowerPoints and more. So I can make all of the elements appear as a block or size. I'm gonna choose this one. And then for slide number 2, I'm gonna choose this one. So I can make like a video presentation, for example. So as you can see, there are a lot of things that you can do to customize your presentations. We're done with the presentation. I'm not going to customize your things, otherwise it's going to take ages. I can click this button at the top of the screen and it will prompt me to download the presentation, that it will be saved on my computer. Another cool thing that I like about Canva is that you can share the designs that you create and also create your own team. If I click on create your team on the left side of my screen, as you can see, I can invite team members to work on designs with me. And we have different roles. We can have administrators, template designers, and members. So I can choose the kind of member that I want here, put the person's email address, and then send invitation to create my own team. Once I've created a team, of course I'm not going to do it now, but I can basically share my designs with my team and we can work on them together. So Canva becomes a collaborative space where you can work on designs with your team, whether it is for work or you can also do it with like peers for uni assignments or schoolwork. This concludes today's video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video on academic and career guidance. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.